Okay guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this video. In today's video we're going to be having a look at Cardano. Now regarding this, there's not so much news about it, so I'm just going to dive in straight into technical analysis. Before that, currently traded at $1.35, market cap of $43 billion, so that's fairly high guys, just keep in mind. Anyways, going into the charts right now on the daily time frame, what can we see? Well, first of all, we had that nice little spike volume right here on the daily time frame, a nice little red one, and people are calling this candle a capitulation wick. Can that be possible? Yes, that's very possible. We are seeing a nice little reversal right now in the past 2 days, as you guys can see. Now we did get a nice little rejection right here, which meets exactly with our previous resistance, as you guys can see right here. We had some nice resistance, so not only are we creating more resistance right now, so it's going to be actually harder for Cardano to fall below the $1 region. There's support guys. There's a lot of support at the $1, as you guys can see right here. This yellow line is the $1 mark. That being said, can we come back there? Yes, very possible. Can we break below? Very possible. But it seems like with Bitcoin coming down, it seems like Cardano won't get broken down essentially, or broken down. So pretty good actually. It's a very good sign. Let me leave this here for now. Having a look at the VPVR volume profile, this is a very important indicator. Now the VPVR volume profile essentially tells you how much money was traded essentially in that price range. And as you guys can see right here, the most traded price was at $1.18, and we actually broke above that, which is quite interesting. This was also a key resistant support level right here. So this is where actually the price has been mostly traded ever since the 22nd of February, or since the 22nd of February. This is where we've mostly been trading, as you guys can see right here. And we broke above that. That means we didn't have a clear breakdown like below the POC level, which is the point of control. This yellow line is this red line is the POC level, the point of control. So we not only did we not really close below it, but we broke back above it, which is very positive. Taking that away, having a look at the EMA ribbons on the daily time frame, then I'm gonna have a look at the 4-hour time frame. We're actually meeting right here the 20 exponential moving average. We could get a rejection and come back down. That's very possible. On the 4-hour time frame, we are actually attempting to break above it. Now, if we have a nice little clean breakout, I believe that we can go back to the 2.4, $2, maybe even this region right here, the 1.86 region level. So I would be looking to take a long from here. That's a 36% increase. If you're playing with leverage, let's say 2x at 70%, 3x, so on, that's 110% approximately. So that wouldn't be a bad trade if that happens. Of course, that's assuming Bitcoin does stay or keeps increasing, because this dump right here was actually the cause of Bitcoin dumping to 28,000, I believe. So we saw Bitcoin dump 28,000. Of course, the whole market came down with it. Having a look at the moving averages real quick, we are getting rejected right now by the 50 moving average. Can we go to the 200? The 200 is probably the most important one. Having a look at the moving average on the daily time frame right here. Going back to the daily time frame, something I missed, we actually got rejected exactly right here by the 200 moving average. You see guys, a lot of people say that technical analysis don't work, they don't do this, but this is why you have to look at every scenario and every different time frame and every different opportunity essentially. Because if you guys only look at one chart, let's say the 2-day time frame, then of course it's not gonna work, because look where the 200 moving average is. But if you have a look, let's say at the 12-hour, the daily, the this, the that, then you're gonna see there's different scenario for each one of them. On the 15 minutes also, look, we got 2 bounces right here of the 200 moving average. Sorry guys. So it's technical analysis, at the end of the day, it does work. We also had a nice little W pattern, double bottom here. As you guys can see, we broke out of the neckline, boom, breakout. See, this was a neckline actually, I put it too high, but W pattern, boom, neckline, tick along right here exactly, boom, increase. What does that increase if you're playing with leverage or not leverage? 7%, 8%, boom, you're playing with 3x at 24%. So this is why technical analysis do work. Just proved it to you guys. Of course, there's some fundamentals that do work in it, of course, but at the end of the day, it's technical analysis does play a big part of the game. And I didn't see any news on this pump, on the Cardano pump. So at the end, in my opinion, it's all TA right here. As you guys can see right here, we broke above the 50 moving average, came back down, boom, bounced up, now getting rejected by the 200 moving average. So we could actually see some sort of wave forming right here on the 1 hour time frame. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come back to this region right here, to the 1.28 before going to the 1.5 level. Anyways, guys, that's a short update on the 88 Cardano. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.